What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made last time. Okay, the title of the song is called Be Your Love by Bishop Briggs. Okay, so let's go back to the studio and start. Alright, let's start. Move closer to me. I took a shower already. So it goes like this: 6, 7, from the back up. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1. Again. That's it. We do it one equally. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 first. Okay, your hand hook or 3. Okay, for the last time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. So 6, 7, 8 again for 1, 2. 2 counts. My time is so big. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's continue. 7, 8, 1, 2. Up on 3. Use your shoulder. 3 and 4. Okay. And 5, 6. Move back. 7, 8. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Until there first. That's right. From here, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6. Go 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is supposed to be 6. This is 7, 8. Okay? Let's try from the beginning first. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's continue. For this one, we're going to go floor. So 7, 8. You show elbow. 1, 2, 3, wrist on 4. Then recover to your left. Go 5, 6, 7. Slowly 8. Then the music will fade. 8. Then 1, 2, wrist 3.4, recover on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's try again. From, what's that? From here, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. So from here, try one more time. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then head 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 1, 2, reach 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. You will hear the snap, snap. 8. Next, you will hear cha. Go 1. Wrong. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. One more time. So this is 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Try again. So 5, 6. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. That's the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close up 8. Let's finish this one. Vertebrae 1 and 2. Head 3, down on 4, turn 5 and 6 and 7, 8, then anything. Alright? Let's try again from here. 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one now, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Then uplift. Yes, let's do everything from the beginning. Ready? Here we go. They're so tired. So 5, 6, 7, and So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, hop. Yeah. Good job.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, comment on our video. Okay, I'll see you next time.